Korra. If you like, take this advice. Video why they do, they reach everybody hands. Yes, they not they reply because they be celebrity. Come I tell you, I not be married woman. I be single mother. But if I see my fellow woman, why enter into single mother club? Why I know say now the husband I dey right. My sister go beat you hard. May you go back to your husband. If me no enter marriage, not me say I want scatter another person. If I don't enter marriage, not me say if I see truth, make I not talk. My sister, many people they talk now say now so they join the white. If na white people just now they join their people, black can never join you home. So now they clap hand for our sister. Say she they do wrong for her marriage. Even if na black na white, everybody na human being. So now they clap hand for her and say she they do wrong for marriage. If I be you, my sister, I go beg my husband. So all these people then when they clap hand for you, many of them they be single. They know who see both black and white when we put them for house. They clap hand for you, make you come out for your home. Now be single mother for years. I know as to be. It's not easy, my sister. It's not easy for one child. Now you talk of two child. You know where you for start to the year out. You know, so all these children they still be your mom now. They still small. People they will they assist you, they carry them. Now if they don't start school, you don't get support. Say you must work. Then they go school. You they work children they school. Now then you go know say it's not easy to be a single mom. You go red for your head that time. If I be you, my sister, beg your husband make you take your husband enter house. Now white now black, your fellow black woman, I go marry that man. You go date single. So the one we want go meet, another one you want go meet. If you say now gold, you will continue to say you can't marriage because you don't start her, my sister. You better take your first husband enter house now. Go beg her. Go beg him. Now you they hurt that man. Now you offend that man. For the beginning, I feel say maybe the shit when they talk, maybe now domestic things or one or two things, maybe now you they leave everything for him to do. You can't use mouth talk and say you first shit on him. He forgive you. Now out of love. You still do some kind of trash for the marriage. You know, feel bear am again. You they claim say you fit take care of your children. You know, my sister, to be a single mom not easy. Make I always tell you this truth. The secrets now you always tell you so. If your children don't start school, you they go work. Now you know say you not easy to be a single mother. Nobody to leave your children for. Now there you go know say husband they valuable for woman life. Yes. Me I don't fight the battle. My baby don't grow. Now make I no value marriage again. Now when my baby they grow, they come now I call they miss that opportunity. Like God, I for marry or all this stress for. No, my baby don't grow now. I don't suffer, it don't pass. I don't see you go see suffer and one day go pass, but for your own good. They don't see like for your own good. I for prefer make you just suffer. Don't go this your husband enter house. Go beg her. No matter what you go do, he don't forgive you, love you. Now you be the problem. Now these things they tell women. If you don't love man, make you not marry him. Because you go always fuck off for marriage. No marry man we not love because you want marry. If man bola no they reach you again, no enter there. If man they quick come, you know they appreciate the sex. No enter there because you go shit. The only way woman go tell like appreciate your husband now if everything complete for the husband. But no man is perfect. Something not they complete for all men. But my dear, if I be you don't enter. Appreciate your husband. Now nice man. He not behave like white. He be like black man. If I be you, all these people they clap hand for you. They go leave you inside though. Now for this beginning there, but they do like say they're too good though. Tell they come on those children don't test at school. You yourself don't they walk. You just say but don't they jet you inside. That time you know say to be a single mom. Not be here. Use your brain. All this phone here when they speak, forget. Speak the cocoa, our Nigeria language. Nigeria get language. You go understand later. If you don't understand now, this video will reach you one day. Use your brain. To be a single mom not easy. I've been single mother for years. I don't they used to run. And I pity those who get many children. How they feel they survive without the father did their life to their assist. You want quit your home because they dance. If you say they give you 1 naira for Facebook, my dear, you go right for your head. Choose your brain. I use happy you.
Turn your pain into power and write a motivational book. I've never really been a motivational speaker. Because I hate it when people try to be motivational speakers like they know everything. I'm just an advocate of taking every day at a time. One step at a time. Ah. Hi, Korra, please take a break from the media, please. No. No. Let me educate you, okay? You come here to be entertained. I come here to clock in. We're not the same. So stop saying this, take a break from the media. Are you going to send me money? Are you going to send me money? When my pikin wanna shop, are you gonna send me money? No. So if you're not, share up. Me and you no dey for the same category. They see my situation, they tell me say make I come on my mouth for my food. Tag Nigerian for translation. They see as they take the beat, they tell me say make I use my hand, come on my hand for my mouth. You be like say una dey craze. No go you give yourself brain as you old rich. I just think you need to take a break. Take a break. Say make my pikin no chop, Abi. Shey na you go give me money when my pikin no chop. Take a break, my nyash. So I was just saying you're so beautiful and you're so gorgeous. Thank you so much for your advice. Kangwai. I don't understand why you don't understand. Wait, understand. If you don't like again, no, you carry yourself and get right here, man. Shit. It's not for you. Get one of the swaddle wraps. Very awesome. You see so many moms using them. I have it, but I just don't know how to use it yet. Tomorrow I'll read the instructions and do the needful.